You really need to be bold to take a step which is not approved by others. In the movie Kya Kehna, Preeti Zinta, she was in love with Saif Ali Khan, but Saif Ali Khan was kind of you can say womanizer. It was his game to just get in touch with girls, women, get them pregnant, and not taking responsibility later on. Same thing happened with Preeti. She thought that he's a genuine person, and she fell in love, and they got intimate, and she got pregnant. And now the real imbroglio happened because the entire family was against him from beforehand, as it is, Rahul, because he had that kind of impression. But Preeti was kind of blind, and she was able to convince his family that he's a good man, and she brought him home, and he openly said that I'm not interested in marrying your daughter. And once Preeti's actually brother had insulted him, so it was this act which he did so that he could put down his brother. And now the real challenge happened because his family was also not able to accept her, and she walked out of the house. She left the house, and Anupam Kher has enacted the role of dad, and he also was very apprehensive. He was the main person who was actually against. The entire other members were at least accommodative, but the brothers and mom. But Anupam was totally against, and she was compelled to leave her home. But later, when the brothers and mom were not able to survive without her, they actually brought her home, and the family accepted her decision in spite of her being ridiculed in the college for getting pregnant without marriage. But just since the family supported her, she stood firm on her decision, and she gave birth to a child. And there Chandrachud Singh had always been a pillar of strength in her life. He actually wanted to marry her, but since she was in love with Saif, she had turned down the proposal. But later on, when she got pregnant, she delivered, Chandrachud Singh again came in the forefront and accepted her hand. And here, on the other hand, Saif realized that she took a bold step, and he got interested in marrying her. But that was too late. She refused the proposal, and by that time, Chandrachud and they got together, got married, everything was hunky-dory. So, if your heart says, if your head says that whatever decision you have taken in life is the right decision, and it is your decision, don't see what the others feel. Don't think of the society. Have the courage to carry on. 4 stars, 4.